Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Lock Chuck. What I'm going to attempt today is do an unboxing of this Master Lock disc brake lock, which is a disc detainer lock. I happened to see this on for sale on eBay, and I didn't even know Master Lock made one. So it's pretty old. Copyright was 2005. Says it's a level 5 out of 10 on the security rating, and I can't quite read it, but it was something about $1,000 guarantee or something. So anyway, it is for disc brake, locking up on a motorcycle or something. All right, I haven't opened it yet, so all I'm gonna do is try to get it open. I'm gonna make sure it works and try to get it picked without so it'd be kind of a blind pick. So let me get this open. Well, I guess it will be a blind pick, not kind of a blind pick. But the model number real quick is a 8303 DPS. So all right, so there's the lock. And get a key out. Right, I don't know what I'll do. I don't even want to really see them. I just want to make sure it works. It does. Oh, let's see. The key will come out. So the keys are out of the sight. Okay. So make sure my pick is going to fit first. Because that wouldn't be good if my pick ain't going to fit. Let's see. That tip won't fit. So let's see if I got another tip that will fit. See if this one will fit. Come on, get out of the case. All right, that one fit, and let's see. All right, so I believe we'll give this one a try. So sorry, give me just a second. If I got to get it out of there, I've got to get. Come on, give me my pick back. It doesn't want to be picked. I can tell you that. It's already fighting me. So let's get this. Let's see. I guess I do it this way in the vise. So let's see if I can get pick. Alright, so that one's spinning. I think that's like a spinner. And I'll try that. We'll see. But I'm slipping off for sure. Get this thing to turn. Okay. Oh, you know what I should do? If I can. Rotate everything clockwise. Things got me all shook up. No, I can't sing. Okay. Well, I'm not feeling anything. I mean, it's just gritty all the way around. So let me see. Can wheel. if this tip will fit. Nope. What about... We don't want. Pretty sure this one will not. It's for a different style lock, but not cherry. Nope. That won't fit either. Well, I already tried that one. Just check this one. I'm pretty sure this one is too fat to fit in there, but I'll check it. Yep, too fat. So that's the only one I have that will even fit in there. Okay, well, one more try and then we'll call it. I will say the master lock has got me today if I can't. I did rotate everything clockwise, right? Yep, I did. So I'm gonna go, this time I'm gonna go. Alright, just. Okay, well, I'm gonna call this as a loss for me and a victory for the master lock disc lock today. So, well, there you have it. Master lock won today, but we will see. But I think if I can make a little bit narrower tip, I think that'll help me out. Figure out what's going on, because it feels very gritty, not gritty, but a lot of, well, yeah, gritty. I didn't feel really false gates. It's just it felt gritty all the way around, and I feel a little give here and there, but that, and I'm guessing from the way it's acting, it's probably rear tensioning. So to the shop I go, and then it'll be round 2 sometime later. Thanks for watching.